Are you struggling to grow a thicker, fuller beard? Wondering why your beard isn't as robust as you'd like it to be? You're not alone. Many black men find that despite trying various products, their beard growth remains patchy or slow. But what if there were proven methods specifically tailored to enhance beard growth for you? Today, we're diving into scientifically backed techniques and natural tips that are not only effective but specifically beneficial for black men looking to boost their beard growth. We'll explore everything from the right grooming practices to diet changes that can make a real difference. Let's start with the basics. Understanding your hair type. Black men typically have curly, coiled hair, which might appear to grow slower because it curls back towards the skin. This can sometimes lead to ingrown hairs. Start with a gentle, hydrating cleanser. This not only cleans the skin, but also prevents the pores from becoming clogged with oils and dirt, which can inhibit hair growth. Regular cleansing helps maintain the cleanliness your skin needs to support the healthy development of new hair. Following up with a moisturizer that matches your skin type is critical. This step keeps the skin beneath your beard soft and prevents it from becoming dry and flaky. A good moisturizer will not overload your skin with oil, but will provide enough hydration to maintain its elasticity and suppleness. Together, these steps create the optimal conditions for your beard to grow. They not only enhance the appearance of your beard, but also contribute to its overall health, making your beard growth journey smoother and more effective. Focus on oils like jojoba, argan, and castor. These are not only moisturizing, but are packed with nutrients that are beneficial for hair follicles. Jojoba oil, for example, closely mimics the natural oils produced by your skin, making it an excellent choice for beard care. These oils do more than just moisturize the surface. They penetrate the skin to reach the hair follicles, providing them with the nourishment needed to promote healthier and faster growth. The vitamins and fatty acids in these oils help to strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and promoting fuller, thicker growth. Apply a few drops to your palms, rub them together, and then work the oil into your beard and the skin underneath. This not only helps in evenly distributing the oil, but also stimulates the skin and follicles, boosting blood circulation to the area. Incorporating these oils into your daily beard care routine can significantly enhance the thickness and health of your beard, making it look more vibrant and well-groomed. Your diet plays a crucial role in the health and growth of your beard. Consuming the right nutrients can provide the building blocks needed for robust beard growth. Focus on incorporating foods rich in vitamins A, C, E, and biotin, along with minerals like zinc and iron. These nutrients are essential for promoting cell growth and repair, which are vital for healthy hair follicles. Vitamin A. This vitamin helps to produce sebum, the natural oil that conditions your beard and skin. You can find it in carrots, sweet potatoes, and kale. Vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects the hair from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This vitamin also helps in the production of collagen, an important protein for hair structure. Citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are great sources. Vitamin E. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin E supports a healthy scalp and hair, as it helps maintain skin's blood circulation. Nuts and seeds are excellent sources. Biotin. One of the most well-known vitamins for hair growth. Biotin aids in the production of keratin, protein that makes up hair. Include eggs, nuts, and whole grains in your diet to ensure you're getting enough. Minerals. Zinc and iron both play important roles in hair growth and repair. Zinc helps in the oil production of the scalp, supporting hair growth. Iron helps red blood cells carry oxygen to your cells, including those that stimulate hair growth. Meat, seafood, and beans are rich in these minerals. Exercise also plays a critical role. Regular workouts increase testosterone levels, which is essential for hair growth. Plus, sweating clears out the pores of your skin, promoting healthy hair follicles. Finally, patience is paramount. Beard growth is a process that requires time and consistency. Stick with these tips, keep your routine consistent, and you'll see noticeable improvements.